All right, team. Let's do this one box Trinity football. I'm determined to get Pop Century done today, even if I have to keep some spots. But let's do this one first. So this is same format that we've had before. 8 spots. Pick one player, get a whole bunch of random. Here we go. Five, I think 5 hits. Here we go. This one is going to who has that? Ken getting on the board first. Clear Alec Pierce, not bad, to 99. It's not bad. Alec Pierce to 99. Bill with this clear to 30, Sam Heward. So 2 QBs getting us started. Oh no, Pierce, sorry, wide receiver. Oh, this is a Texas guy. This one's staying home. This is the first time we've hit him in a long time. To 49, Keelan Robinson. Keelan Robinson. Not to be confused with Bijan. Ooh, this one looks cool. Not the biggest name, but Mark on the patch auto here. Cade Otton. Looks cool. That's to 75. It's a cool patch. Can't tell. Trying to figure out what that is part of. I don't know, I'm not seeing it right now, but might be able to figure it out. And then last card, Mark again to 99, Drake London. Drake London, not bad, to 99. So no claims today. This is kind of a so-so box. That's gonna do it. Kind of a so-so box. These, when you hit big, though. I will say that in general. These are super popular. So quick recap: Alec Pierce to 99. That's to Ken. Sam Heward to 30. Who had that? Bill. Keelan Robinson. That one stays home. One of the Texas guys. Cade Otton. That's to Mark on the patch auto to 75. And also Mark, hitting twice on the same line, to 99, Drake London. Congrats, man. All right, guys, that's it. Let's see if we can, where we can get. I have to leave by 3:40. It's 2:05. So I have about an hour and 15 minutes or so before I need to run at least a random on Pop Century. So let's see if we can get any more done between now and then. Otherwise, I'll make a bunch of claims and we'll run it and see how it goes. Thanks, guys.